Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever dreamed about living in paradise, building wealth through real estate, or simply finding the perfect place to call home in beautiful South Florida or the Treasure Coast, you are in the right place. This channel was created for people just like you to make smart real estate decisions with confidence. And here's the truth. Real estate isn't just about buying a house. It's about lifestyle. It's about opportunity. And it's about creating the future you want for yourself and your family. That's exactly what we're here to help you do. On this channel, you'll get expert advice for home buyers. Whether you're relocating, buying your first home, or upgrading to your dream home, proven strategies for sellers, helping you maximize your home's value and sell with confidence, exclusive virtual property tours so you can explore amazing homes from anywhere, local attraction spotlights, and everything that makes South Florida and the Treasure Coast incredible. Local events and community updates so you always know what's happening in the area. Because buying real estate is about more than square footage. It's about knowing the community, knowing the lifestyle, and knowing where the opportunities are before everyone else does. And that's what this channel delivers. So whether you're looking to move to South Florida or along the beautiful Treasure Coast, we've got you covered. So here's what I want you to do right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our growing community so you can stay up to date on the latest listings, market trends, local hotspots, and real estate opportunities across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. Your dream lifestyle could be one decision away, and we're here to help you make it happen. Welcome to the channel.